In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build a basic house in the Roblox game Bloxburg. We'll show you how to add walls, windows, doors, furniture, floors and lighting to create a perfect starter house. Use our clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on during this tutorial. Let's place the exterior walls of the house first. Click the build button, then choose walls, then click and drag along the grid to generate a wall. Release the mouse to purchase the wall. Now let's add interior walls to separate our house into rooms. Click and drag using the wall tool again. Don't leave any gaps for doors. Now we can add flooring for our rooms. Click on the build button, then select floors. Click on the grass area inside our house to generate a floor plan. Then right click on the floor to purchase it. To add a door, click on the build button, select the doors category and choose a door to place. Move the mouse over a wall to position the door and then click to purchase and place. We can also place windows to allow light to enter our house. Click on the build button, then select the windows category and choose a window to place. Move the mouse over a wall to position the window, then click to place it. Let's add some furniture. Click on the decorate button, select the all category, search for a sofa and then choose one to start placing. Move your mouse around on the floor and click to place it down. Repeat this process for any other furniture you want to add. To customize the wallpaper and flooring, we can use the paint tool. Click the paint tool in the bottom right corner and select a floor or wall to customize. Next, choose a material and color from the list. To apply the same color to another wall, hold Shift and click the wall. You can apply different wallpaper to the interior and exterior of each wall. If you want to add a second floor, click the up arrow in the side menu. We're now editing the second floor. Click on Build and select the Walls category. Now click and drag with the mouse to create exterior walls on top of our already existing ones on the first floor. Once our walls are in place, let's head down to the first floor by clicking on the down arrow in the side menu. Click on Build and then the Stairs category. Place your stairs down and return to the second floor by clicking the up arrow. Now, add walls around the staircase so that when we generate a floor, it doesn't cover the stairway. Then extend these walls from each corner to the end of each interior wall. This trick divides the floor up into smaller parts instead of one entire floor, so that we can create a hole in the floor to allow access from the stairway. Click on the build button and select the floors category. We're now in the automatic floor generation tool. Click on the grid to generate another floor. You should notice that the generated floor doesn't cover the small room we just created for our stairway, so the player can walk through. Right click the mouse on the floor to purchase it. Now let's delete the 4 walls we just created around our stairway as we no longer need them. Click on the trash can in the bottom right corner to enable delete mode. Now, click on each wall to delete it. Once you've deleted all 4 walls, click the trash can again to disable delete mode. To add a roof, click on the build button and select the roof category. Then select a roof from the list and click on the floor to generate the roof. If you're happy, right click on the roof with the mouse to purchase it. Let's add some lighting to our house so that it isn't too dark. Click on the Decorate tab and select the lighting category. Let's place our lights on the ground floor where it's darkest. Choose a light source from the list and drag it on either the wall or ceiling to position it. Click to place the light source. Make sure that your house isn't too dark nor too bright. And there you have it, your very own house in Bloxburg.